Alright, y'all. So I'm about to unbox this lovely looking air fryer by Drew Barrymore. Okay, so let's see. This is the smallest one, 3 quarts. It was $39. Let's see what it says. It says adjustable temperature, up to 400 degrees, air fry, bake, roast, reheat, space saving. Serves up to 4 people, long lasting material. The color is, it says color is white icing. That's cute. Let's see what else does it say. Superior airflow technology makes fast, crispy, and evenly cooked food. Non-stick coating made without, I don't know what that is. I guess it's some harmful materials. Dishwasher safe. What? Turbo crisp tray and basket. What? Dishwasher safe. I don't know about that. Powerful 1200 watts. Wow. Patent pending turbo crisp technology. Little to no oil needed for crispy, healthier results. Okay. Let's see. Did I miss anything? It's telling you how it works. And there's Drew Barrymore down there. Whoa. Okay, so they give you the instructions, the setup guide. Okay. Alright, so with that. Oh wow, it's kind of big. It's bigger than I thought it was. Okay, hold on, y'all. The one that I currently have, we got one real quick because I like the digital ones and funds were low. And they didn't have that Drew Barrymore. That thing was, I think Drew Barrymore stuff used to be expensive. And I'm not sure how much. This one probably was like $30. And this is little. See how little this is? So yeah, y'all, look, it is bigger. Isn't it? Wow. I'm sitting here thinking I'm getting one the same size. So it's bigger. That's a plus. And the fact that this is the smallest one that she has. See, we didn't really need it. We don't need a huge one. Okay. I'm going to take this tape off. And let me take the tape off. Look, more stuff. It's probably like a, oh wow, this is thick. It's a thick old book. Okay, instruction manual, tours probably. Yep, recipes. It tells you how to cook certain things, vegetables, eggplant, french fries. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I wanna get this, we're gonna get this washed out and then we'll be right back. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. Look how much non-stick coating. I love it. See how the water is like beading off? I use soap and everything. So the water is like beading off of the non-stick. So yeah, nothing's gonna stick to this bad boy. Let me wipe this off. Okay, it beeps. It beeps. It beeped, y'all. So what we gotta do? Let me see. Okay. There you go. Yeah, we plugged in the baby's bottle warmer. Anyway. Alright, so this is illuminated right here. Wow, and it keeps flashing. I don't know if y'all can see that. So what we're gonna do is throw some chicken nuggets in there that we had from McDonald's earlier. Yeah, we got this 20-piece box of nuggets. And are you gonna eat any?
Yeah.
How many? Just a couple.
Whatever's in there.
Whatever's in there. There's 20 in here, boy. You ain't eating all these. Anyway, we're just gonna do. We'll let him do 5.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, so let's see. Wow. So I don't know whether to do. We should do reheat, but let's do air fry. And what do you usually do? A minute?
Yeah.
Oh, it's doing like 30 seconds and stuff. Minute is if it go to 60. Okay.
Start.
Yeah, go for it. Wow. Look at that, y'all. It's at 400 degrees. I don't know. It seems like I never adjust. I never adjust this thing. Anyway, now that little air fryer that I had went up to 425 degrees, and usually all of them went up to like 425 or 450. So this is it's weird that the plug, cause this baby from this baby heater has the three prongs, and then that's why I got them mixed up because this one only had the two prongs. So I think that's interesting. So I wonder, is it supposed to like count down, or was that an hour? I'm so confused. Yeah, it is.
Um,
It is, y'all. That was the longest. That was a long minute, wasn't it?
I think so. Yeah.
So we'll probably check on this in a minute. I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all. I think this is this is like an hour or something like that. So see, there they go. Y'all hear them sizzle? They plucked up. They plumped up. Okay, I'm happy with it. Just gotta read a little more. So
Me too.
I think the best option for this probably would have been the reheat, but I wish this was darker. Like, let's see if you turn the light out so you can see it a little bit better. But
Barely. Hmm. But it's cool.
so, yo, I this is very confusing, and I see this is so. The first thing I don't like is that you can barely see this panel here. That's probably why they might have reduced the price. And then this is that means 1 minute. Now, would you think that's 1 minute? That looks like 1 second. So it's saying when you first turn it on, this is already default set it to 16. This is 16 minutes. I don't like that. That looks like 16 seconds. That means 16 minutes. So you probably have a lot of people burn up stuff. So if you want a minute, you got to actually go down to the one. That's why I was like, them chicken nuggets, that's a long minute. I had actually so that was an hour. So yeah, I'm on the fence about this.
I still don't
But
get it.
but it's nice, but you don't get it.
Yeah. It means like 1 minute at the 001.
Yes.
Oh, okay.